Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to unblock block contacts on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can just simply tap on settings icon at the top right side of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down and down until you find the option of blocked users. You can find blocked users option in privacy controls section. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the person's name that you unblock, or you can just simply cross this to unblock the blocked users, and it is a way you can unblock blocked contents on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.